Hi, this is Sinem. I work for Danfoss Climate Solutions sector coupling team. In sector coupling, our main target is to integrate different sectors: heating, cooling, and electricity. By considering reduce, reuse, and resource aspects, we are trying to find possibilities how we can make their current heating and cooling systems more efficient. How we work is we work with critical facilities and commercial buildings. Data centers, hospitals, and factories are the main target. The main concern is when we're reusing that excess heat, of course, the best thing is to use it within the facility. But what would make more sense for sustainable future is to use it in district energy network. How we do it is we have a lot of case studies that you can find it from sectorcoupling.danfoss.com. But apart from that, feel free to reach out our team so that we can support you with the possible solutions.